cooking video today. I'm doing this after so long, but here it is. We're making caramel pudding. It's a really tricky recipe. Like, I've never made it before, but I've seen my mom make it during Ramadan and whatnot. And since Ramadan is here, we're gonna be making this for you guys. And I hope it's as easy as I imagine it to be. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's get started. By the way, guys, this is my co-cook. We're gonna be making the caramel pudding together. So for the caramel pudding, you only need these ingredients: just the milk, the sugar. We'll use butter to butter the bowl before putting in the pudding, and eggs and the vanilla extract. And that is it, guys. Look at my beautiful handwriting. They're gonna go in now. So don't forget to put the hot water right at the bottom. It's an essential. Let's have a chat real quick, you guys, no kidding. I think the whole recipe is so easy, like considering you just use 3 ingredients. But I think the caramel is really tricky to prepare, because like it either makes a chunk. I mean, we repeated like a few times with my brother. By the way, he's the one who helped me make the whole thing, because he usually makes it and it's really nice. So he helped me make the caramel.
Not to be chunky.
Yeah, not to be chunky, or what did he do right at the end? Yeah, we couldn't even stir it. So yeah, usually it's no stirring, but we couldn't even move it around or anything. And it's just 1 tablespoon water. And
quarter cup sugar.
Yeah, and usually quarter cup, but we used half a cup because we made a larger serving. So that's that. The caramel part is really tricky, guys. But otherwise, the whole recipe is really easy. So thank you to Hudhaifa. He's the one who made it happen. brother's help and calling my mom like 3 times and the struggle making the caramel. Other than that, this is really tasty, and I was really worried like I would smell the egg, but you don't even smell the egg. It's really good.